Hi friends, I would like to show here how to replace the hard disk of your HP NV15 laptop to a solid state disk. So I have this hard disk. It was inside my laptop. It's a 500 gigs hard disk and it was inside and I took it out and I put this SanDisk ultra thin solid state drive. So this is my laptop. It's the HP NB Touch Smart 15-inch notebook PC. So I will show you how to replace the hard disk. So you basically, this is very easy. So if you look at the back side of the laptop, let me turn it off. And shut down the power. For that, basically you need a very small screwdriver like this. I got this screwdriver. I bought a set of screwdriver, and you can get a lot of small and big screwdriver. I like this set. And if you check the back side of this laptop after opening the let's open this. So you open the battery, there is a clip here, just move the clip and open it. I'll hold my camera. So you have to click it hard. Okay. This battery comes out here. You have to clip this really hard up to maximum. And I took out the battery. Now if you see, there is a here, this is the small box here, and there's a screw here, like here. So you have to take out this screw here and just then lift up this cover. Put your finger and lift it up. So you can lift this up, and when you lift it up, you can see your hard disk area here, and you have the RAM area. Here is the RAM area, and there's a nice cover here. So here's the RAM, and we have, I think this is the speaker. So here my hard disk. This hard disk was here. This hard disk was here like this. So it is tight. There is no screw or anything. It was just tight, rubber tight with some rubber frame. So I took this out, and then you take out the cable from here, and I put my solid state drive here, and it works great. It's fine. So only thing I found, because this solid state drive is a little bit smaller size, so it does not tight nicely. So I have to take out the rubber from this old hard disk, and I'll put the rubber around this so it will tight it. Okay, thank you.